Hello friends, my name is Srudhin VS. Welcome to my channel Techmerize. Before I begin, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done already. So let's begin. Today we are unboxing MacBook Air Core i5 5th Gen. So let's not keep you waiting, go unboxing. MacBook Air comes in this white box with Apple logo and some details of the laptop given on the back side. The packaging is very good. The unboxing experience that is there with Apple is very good and they sure make their customers feel like that it is a premium product. The entire body of this laptop is built with aluminum and there is no compromise on build quality. Kudos to Apple. The MacBook Air is very thin. At the thickest point of this laptop, it is only as thick as a smartphone. On the left side of the laptop, we have a charging port, USB 3.0 port and a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the right side of the laptop, we have a Thunderbolt 2.0 port serving as a mini display port and a USB 3.0 port and a card reader. Let's look at the specification of the laptop. The screen 13.3-inch HD Plus display. The processor is 5th Gen Core i5 processor. And we have an 8GB RAM. The storage is 128GB SSD. We have an integrated graphics of Intel Graphics 6000. The battery backup of 12 hours. This laptop was purchased through Paytm and was priced around 45,000 including the cashback. So if you are planning to buy this laptop, wait for some offers like Big Billion Day or Amazon Great India Sale, etc. and you may get it for as cheap as 45,000 or even lower price. The laptop have a backlit keyboard and unlike Windows laptop that we see around this price segment, we can change the brightness of the backlight in keyboard. The trackpad of this laptop is very big and is very good to use. It does not have a dedicated right click or left click buttons. Instead, you have gestures on this laptop, like you use two fingers to do a right click. There is an ambient light sensor embedded inside this laptop. So whenever you open the camera, the brightness is automatically corrected. So when I tell you all this information about this laptop, you may feel like this is the best laptop available. I will not say that. The biggest letdown of this laptop is the processor. This laptop have a 5th Gen Core i5 processor which is 3 generations behind the latest Intel processors available. And laptop is only having an integrated graphics card, so if you want to play some games, this is not for you. The laptop's display is okay, but not as good as the display of MacBook Pro. Another problem of this laptop, which is not directly related to the laptop, is that you are using a Mac when everyone around you is using Windows. This can create a problem related to the availability of softwares. So let's conclude. This laptop is meant for those people who would like to watch movies and do some basic coding, internet browsing, etc. If you want to do some heavy work like video editing, gaming, etc., you should consider any other option. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have already subscribed, please click on that bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Goodbye and see you on the next video.